call for a protest in the Bantwal town at DC Road, for which we have made adequate bandobast also. We are making sure that no untoward incidents take place in Bantwal or anywhere in the district.
What was the reason for the...
There is some issue that is happening amongst a few people, and I cannot disclose what the issue is, and we just wanted to make sure that everything remains peaceful. In that regard, we have made sufficient bandobast and we have ensured that peace is prevailed in Bantwal as well as Dakshin Kannada district, and we will continue to do so in the future also.
What was the condition now still?
So we did not impose any such condition. We just wanted peace, and we told them also that anything which disturbs peace would attract legal actions and consequences, and that is our communication to them, and the organizers or the protesters also had agreed to that, that they will protest peacefully, and we will continue to keep a watch and keep our bandobast intact and make sure that the city and the district remain peaceful.